Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Copper CRM with Outfunnel. Okay. As you can see here, under connections for Outfunnel, you have Copper. You can just easily click on it. But as we're going to need Outfunnel for Copper, we'll need to do the integration from our Copper account. Okay. So what we'll do is just go to the top left, click on our profile, and then click on integrations. Wait for it. Now go ahead and scroll down and find Outfunnel. So just basically click on connect. And then once that's done, again, click on connect. And as you can see here, as fast as that, your app is connected or the integration is now finished. So it doesn't ask me to sign in because I'm already logged in with my Outfunnel account with the same browser. And also my Outfunnel account right here was created via my Google account. Okay. So that's why Copper right here digs into my Google account and checked out that I have a Outfunnel account with it. So it just easily connected. But yours might be different. If it asks you to sign in, just go ahead and sign in with your Outfunnel credentials. Okay. And then once done, you have few settings right here to finish. Enable Outfunnel for records. You can go ahead and enable all. Okay. And then in here, as you can see, choose the locations to show Outfunnel. Now, as you can see here, the only available option is in the left app navigation, which is full page. If you want to, you can go ahead and enable it. All right. And then once that's done, you're good to go. You can click on back to integrations and you will notice that Outfunnel is now active. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.